Y'all know we always start off with boxes, so I think I know what this is, honestly. This is what it looks like. It's from TikTok shop. It, you know, my progress, or I think this is just wipes. I think this kitchen cleaning wipes, 80 piece. I don't know what this is. They're just supposed to lighten your dark marks on your skin, and it's supposed to be just like turmeric, so it makes you kind of oranger. Definitely be using these. So, very summery. I got these from AliExpress, of course. They're cutesy. I'm gonna bring this one into work. So put it on my desk and then have like some little flowers. I think it's gonna be cute. Oh, I got these. Okay. Got these dividers, so I can just put them in there and they can pretend to be like a regular divider. But yeah, it's nothing special. It's for my kitchen. I wear heels like literally every day at work, so I picked up some more heels. Hopefully these are sturdy, but like textured type of, super cute, and they're high. I usually don't wear high heels, so I wear like little kitten type of heels, but